one of the reasons why it becomes difficult for some people to become successful is because they confuse time efficiency with laziness. Let me explain that. Sometimes you find out of something and you're like, I want to get that because it'll replace the time that I have to take to do something. Right now you can just buy that device or buy that whatever it is, piece of technology, whatever it is. You can buy something that you can just program so that it does it for you. And you tell this to some people and they're gonna be like, dude, you're just being lazy. How hard can it be for you to just do that yourself? You're just being lazy, that's all. What some people don't understand is that some of us actually buy these things so that instead of wasting time doing something, that now we can just have a machine do it for us, or like whatever it is that we bought to replace us doing it physically. Now we can just program something, right? We do it so that instead of doing that, we spend that time working on something else that's actually bettering our future. Right now, right, my wife and I, we love coffee. We love making coffee, but we don't like that instant coffee as much as we like the other kind of coffee that you have to actually boil and do all that stuff, right? So we decided to get a coffee machine that it makes the coffee faster, it brews it, and it's better, right? So now I can just have this making the coffee while I don't need to spend the time boiling the water, filtering it and everything on my own. Now this will do, like, I just put water in the coffee on it and it'll filter it. Now I just come and get my coffee. Now instead of spending time making a coffee, I can spend it planning something. I can spend it coming up with ideas. I can spend it seeing how to do certain things so that it helps me in my real estate business, whatever it is. Now I have made more time for me to work on something else and not spend it making my coffee. If you think that we are just becoming lazier and lazier, you've got a problem. You have got a problem that you need to solve. You need to change your mindset. You need to change the way you think about that, because if everything is just being lazy, you have no idea how much time you can really have if you just spend a little bit of money on certain devices, on certain machines, certain things that are gonna cut down the actual physical work that you have to do. You can, all that time is being wasted. Meanwhile, you can spend it on doing something really, really productive for your business or for YouTube or for whatever it is that you're working on. Guys, it's not laziness. It's called being time efficient. I need to start setting this up right now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye.